Welcome to day 3 of your daily English speaking practice series. Today, we're doing a quick English level test and know.
What is your real English level? Beginner, intermediate, advanced? Let's find out with this 30-question test. The first questions are easy, but can you get to the end? Answer this first question right now. He cross Henri to school every day. Go. Is it go or goes? If you know it, keep watching. This test is for you. I challenge you to this 30-question test. Don't skip. The first questions are easy, but the last ones will surprise you. Get ready to speak out loud, think fast, and comment your score below. And a little warning, some of these questions are designed to trick you. Let's see how many you can get right. Don't forget to like this video if you're ready for the challenge. It really helps the channel. Here's how it works. 1. I will show you a question with multiple choices. 2. You will have 3 seconds to answer out loud or in your head. 3. The correct answer will appear with a simple explanation. 4. Keep track of your score. 1 point for each correct answer. We'll start easy and get much, much harder. Ready? Let's go. Okay, beginners, let's warm up. Question 1. I from Spain. A am B is C B. Answer. A am explanation. I am is the correct present simple form of to be. Question 2. What you do? A do, B does, C are. Answer. A do explanation. We use do with the pronouns you, we, and they. Question 3. She doesn't like coffee. A B, the C, no word. Answer. C, no word. Explanation. We don't use articles for general, uncountable nouns. Question 4. They are home. A in B at C on. Answer. B at explanation. The correct preposition for home is at. Question 5. This is book. A my, B me, C I. Answer. A my explanation. My is the possessive adjective we need here. Question 6. Yesterday she to the park. A go, B went, C goes. Answer. B went, explanation. Went is the past simple form of go. Question 7. Can you me your pencil? A to lend, B lending, C lend. Answer. C lend, explanation. After can, we use the base form of the verb without to. Question 8. There isn't milk left. A many, B much, C some. Answer. B much, explanation. We use much for uncountable nouns like milk. Question 9. What time do you up? A get, B got, C getting. Answer. A get, explanation. After do, we use the base form of the verb. Question 10. He can very fast. A run, B runs, C running. Answer. A run, explanation. After modal verbs like can, we use the base form. Good. Now let's get into the intermediate level. These are tricky. Question 11. If I tanos more time, I would learn the guitar. A have, B had, C would have. Answer. B had, explanation. This is the second conditional. We use if plus past simple, would plus verb. Question 12. By next year, I English for 5 years. A will study, B will be studying. C will have been studying. Answer. C will have been studying, explanation. We use the future perfect continuous to show the duration of an action up to a point in the future. Question 13. She suggested to the new museum. A to go, B going, C go. Answer. B going, explanation. The verb suggest is followed by a gerund, verb pling. Question 14. The movie was. I almost fell asleep. A bored, B boring. Answer. B boring, explanation. Use ing adjectives to describe the thing causing the feeling. The movie bores you. Question 15. He's the man, wife is a famous doctor. A who, B whose, C which. Answer. B whose, explanation. Whose shows possession. The man's wife. Question 16. I used to a lot of coffee, but I quit. A drink, B drinking, C drank. Answer. A drink, explanation. Used to is followed by the base form of the verb. Question 17. You look really tired. You go to bed. A should, B shall, C would. Answer. A should, explanation. Should is used to give advice. Question 18. The report must by Friday. A be finished, B finish, C have finished. Answer. A be finished. Explanation. This is a passive voice construction. The report is finished, by someone. Question 19. I'll call you as soon as I A. Will arrive. B. Arrive. C. Am arriving. Answer. B. Arrive. Explanation after as soon as, we use the present simple to refer to the future. Question 20. Neither of the answers correct. A. Seem B. Seems C. Our answer, B, seems explanation. Neither is singular and takes a singular verb. Okay, experts. This is where we separate the advanced learners from the natives. Good luck. Question 21. The negotiations were fraught errors. A, with B, of C, by answer. A, with explanation. Fraught with is a fixed phrase meaning full of something bad. Question 22. He's a buyer. He needs to see dozens of reviews first. A cautious B, deliberate C, circumspect answer. C circumspect A is also possible, but C is more precise. Explanation. Circumspect means wary, unwilling to take risks, and considering all consequences. Question 23. Her actions were in violation of the rules. A, flagrant. B, blatant. C, total answer. A, flagrant. B is also a very strong synonym. Explanation. Flagrant means shockingly obvious or offensive. Question 24. Had I known earlier, I'd differently. A would have acted. B would act. C acted. Answer. A would have acted. Explanation. This is an inversion of the third conditional. If I had known, I would have acted. Question 25. The theory is not yet by the scientific community. A. Ascertained. B. Sanctioned. C. Corroborated. Answer. C. Corroborated. Explanation. Corroborated means confirmed or given support to by evidence. Question 26. His story was with inconsistencies. A. Replete. B. Full. C. Rife. Answer. C. Rife. A and B are very close, but rife implies something undesirable is widespread. Explanation. Rife means abundant in an unpleasant way. Question 27. She spoke with a that surprised everyone in the meeting. A. Candor. B. Honesty. C. Clarity. Answer. A. Candor. Explanation. Candor is the formal noun meaning the quality of being open and honest. Question 28. The author's writing style made the novel difficult to read. A. Nebulous. B. Vague. C. Ambiguous. Answer. A. Nebulous. B and C are good options, but A is more advanced. Explanation. Nebulous means vague, unclear, or ill-defined. Question 29. The government's policies failed to address the core issue. A. Superficial. B. Shallow. C. Cursory. Answer. A. Superficial. Explanation. Superficial means existing or occurring on the surface, not thorough or deep. Question 30. I look forward to Dan A from you. A. Hear. B. Hearing. C. Heard. Answer. B. Hearing. Explanation. Trap. Look forward to is a phrasal verb that is followed by a gerund, verb sing, not the infinitive. This tricks millions of learners.
All right, time to add up your points. Pause the video if you need to. Now let's see what your score means. 0, 10 points. A1 or A2. Beginner, don't worry. Everyone starts somewhere. Your journey is just beginning. Check out our beginner-friendly videos to build a strong foundation. 11, 20 points. B1, B2 intermediate. Well done. You have a solid grasp of English. This is the plateau stage where consistent practice is key. You're on your way to fluency. 21, 30 points. C1, C2 advanced proficient. Wow, incredible job. Your English is strong, accurate, and nuanced. You're operating at a near native level. Give yourself a pat on the back. What was your score? This is the most important part. Tell me your score and the question you found hardest in the comments right now. Let's see what the community average is. I read every single comment. If you enjoyed this challenge, please give this video a thumbs up. YouTube will then show it to more learners like you. Finally, subscribe and hit the bell icon. We post new English challenges and lessons every week to help you get fluent faster. Thanks for practicing with me today. Keep learning, keep speaking, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!